Hi, I'm Nikki Brown, Community Health Specialist with the Fairfax County Health Department, and today I'm here with my sister, Ivory Velasco, who is also a member of the Fairfax County Health Department, and we're going to talk today about COVID-19 and pregnancy. We know that COVID-19 and pregnancy are things that don't mix. Being an expectant mother puts you at high risk for severe COVID-19, which means you could be hospitalized or even die. So it's really important that expectant mothers know how to protect themselves. But deciding to get the vaccine can be a difficult decision as a pregnant person. So I'm really happy we're here to talk today, Ivory, about this because I feel like a lot of people need to hear a perspective from a pregnant mother like yourself. How many months pregnant are you?
Well, I'm 8 months pregnant. Yes, I actually got vaccinated. So I'm fully vaccinated now, and I got vaccinated, I think, when I was 5 months pregnant.
Okay, wow. So you were really gun-ho about getting vaccinated.
Well,
Why were you?
well, like many people, I was hesitant at first, but I did my research, and after doing my research, I realized that pregnancy did put me at increased risk for severe illness because it is also on the high risk list for the CDC. But pregnancy also causes other complications such as preeclampsia, which is high blood pressure, gestational diabetes, puts you at increased risk for clotting disorders, and it also weakens your immune system, and all of those combined, increases your risk
Right.
of severe illness from COVID as well. So after doing my research, I made an educated decision to get vaccinated to best protect myself, but also pass on some immunity to my baby.
Okay, all right. So when you got the vaccine, did you experience any side effects?
Just a sore arm. I was expecting to really experience some side effects after the second dose, but I didn't. I was a little tired, but I'm always a little tired right now. It's just a side
Wow.
effect of being pregnant, so it was fine for me.
Oh, well, that's good. I know when I got the vaccine, I had pain in my arm as well and a little tiredness and fatigue, but I was okay. So, do you feel that this is something that you need to tell other pregnant moms to do, or what do you think other pregnant moms need to know about COVID-19 and the vaccine?
I think that at the end of the day, people need to make an educated decision for themselves, do their research, share your knowledge that you may find, even if you do decide not to get vaccinated. But for me, the benefits of getting vaccinated, it wasn't just protecting me, protecting my unborn child, but it was getting a sense of relief. I have a younger son who he's almost 3, and he's in daycare, and I know he's around other kids, and just protecting my family as well, my friends, and it also allowed me to be able to see my family more. I hadn't seen them for a year, and I just recently started seeing them.
Wow, that's interesting. So you've been vaccinated for a few months now. And how do you feel like being vaccinated, a part of that group that's vaccinated? Like, how does that make you feel?
I felt like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders
Wow.
because I was so anxious. I buckled down like everyone else, and I still do. I follow all the recommended guidelines by the CDC, and getting vaccinated was like the cherry on top for me.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, Ivory, do you have any final words or thoughts that you would like to let other moms or, people know about your experience?
I think I would say that I'm not here to push people to make a decision, but hopefully you'll make the decision that's best for your family at the end of the day and for you. And being a pregnant person, I know it can be scary. You know, I get every recommended vaccine when pregnant. I've gotten flu vaccine, the Tdap vaccine. So I kind of thought to myself, why not the COVID-19 vaccine? Because we get these vaccines to pass the immunity on to the baby. And at the end of the day, I just want people to make the best decision for themselves. Do your research from reputable sources. And
Like CDC.
yes, CDC, you know, and just ask questions to whether it's your doctor, whether it's, you know, other healthcare professionals. Just make an informed decision.
Yes. Well, you know, I could not imagine being pregnant at a time like this. So I think any woman out there that is pregnant and expecting is very courageous. And I think you're very courageous, Ivory. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. And thank you, everyone, for tuning in. If you want to learn more about COVID-19 and the vaccine, please visit the Health Department's website at fairfaxcounty.gov/COVID-19.